Did I just tell you my age with that? If you don't know Sanford and Son, you don't know a lot of TV. Actually, the best part of Sanford and Son was the truck. Not Lamont, not Fred, not Grady. And I want to say the black lady's name was Louise, maybe. Esther was her name. Somebody probably knew that. Esther was her name. You fish-eyed fool. Yeah, we remember that one. So we're going to see how my daughter feels about being a passenger on the back, or as some of us call it, a backpack. And she's only, well, you know what? She's only been on a bike once, and that was just through the neighborhood. Let's see how she feels about this. We have to pick her up from my sister's to go ahead and take her to pick up her car because the transmission was being repaired on her vehicle. She just bought it a few months back, like around mid-summer last year, summer 2016, because she totaled out her car previous to that, not paying attention. Got another one. Luckily, she got extended warranty on it because she's going to have to get, well, the warranty is paying for the transmission minus her deduction. It is January. Last I checked, it was about 58, it said in my truck. 58 degrees. I don't ride too much in the cold. Plus, I still got some stuff that Mercy Ann needs to have done on her sexy self. She needs adjustment on the carburetor, or carburetors. She has some issues every now and then. And this, my friends, to the left of me is our friendly neighborhood DMV. Delta Michael Victor. And you know what goes on in there. A lot of upset people who don't come in with the right documents to get their license, who didn't check to see that they're closed before they drove all the way down here. Those type of people. Look at the trees. When I was growing up, it looked like that in a lot of places. But now it looks like that. No trees, but homes, and they're all like right on each other. Now when you go in here, it's like speed bump after speed bump. Oh, that hump, I wasn't expecting. There's a couple of humps in here. My lips are dry. I want to lick my lips so bad, but I know I'm gonna eat some of this cat. Not cat. I meant dead cat, not eat cat. Ooh, that's sorry. I was thinking something else, but I don't think I wanted to be in the video what I was thinking. I was gonna eat some cat. Off. Baby, get down on my knees for you. Doom, 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 doom. And if you only love me like you used to do. So it won't come off. Because I don't have hooks on my bike. She has hooks on hers. What I need you to do is put your helmet on first, strap it, and then you can put the gloves on. If you need to talk to me, though, there's only one problem.
You can't hear me?
You have to talk loud, that's all. So, That hand. Go ahead. That's for the microphone to go into her recorder. Seriously? Hold on. Take it up. Okay, go.
My head is too big. Ouch.
You're fine. But keep your hands on the tank. So if I come to a stop, you'll use that and your feet to keep you balanced. Okay. Stand by, ma'am. Hold your butt up. There you go. And there's no way for me to like go around these. And here we go. She's not doing too bad. Actually, she's not resting on my back. She's not pushing on me. How's the traffic look? Hopefully it stays like that. Look at that. So like I told you guys, we got 2 exits to go. And this is the shittiest goddamn traffic light here too. I hate this goddamn light because these people don't never let you over. You good back there? You good? Dun, 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 dun. I don't know how Mercy Ann's gonna like all this stop and go shit. Cause I don't like it one bit. I mean, come on. Now, this is a good topic about lane splitting. Never make it. I hate this traffic. Dun 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 dun. So obviously I'm in the Sanford and Son mood today. Come on, baby. Give it to us. Give it to us. Nice little Jeep. This bullshit. See, we have to turn up here right after the light. again. No, I turned it off.